Alam mo na ba na may Grab Dine Out na dito sa Boracay? Mae-enjoy mo na ang bakasyon mo this summer dahil meron na ngang Grab Dine Out na you can get up to 15 to 20% discounts plus another 20% discount with Dine Out Bora promo code on your favorite restaurants here in Boracay. Paano mag-avail ng discounts? Sobrang dali lang. Just open the Grab app and click the Grab Dine Out. Marami nga ditong available restaurants at exclusive deals na pwede mong ma-enjoy. Choose the participating merchant of your choice. Then, mag-dine in sa mismong restaurant na napili mo. After you dine in at craving satisfied ka na, pay with Grab Dine Out. Ilagay mo lang ang total price at automatic ma-apply na agad yung 20% discount at Dine Out Bora promo code with a minimum spend of 500 pesos. Once nakabayad ka na, o diba? Sobrang dali lang. Kaya kung nagbabala ka magbakasyon dito sa Boracay at gusto mo makatipid while enjoying the vacation, try this Grab Dine Out.